Locksmith Methuen MA offers great service day and night, every day. For all your locksmith needs, our mobile workshops are able to attend to all your needs. We can assist you for all related problems, household, commercial, automobile, or emergency. We are first class, professional, and licensed, and we come to you quickly. When you are locked out, call us. If you had a break-in, lost or broken key, anywhere, anytime you need a professional, we are there for you. Our prices are fair and our work is first class and clean. We are ready to service all lock repairs. Please call us first. Please call us first. Please, 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 please call us first for the best service in town. Call today, 617-275-5434.